1. Power on, off. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn the device on or off. Press the button to switch units. 3. Temperature adjustment. Press plus to increase or out to decrease the temperature in Fahrenheit. Adjustment range to C36F to 18C64F. For independent lighting control, the light button operates separately even when the device is off. 5. Temperature lock. Press for 3 seconds to lock the control panel except light button. Press this button again once to unlock the control panel. 6. Wide-angle door. Opens past 90 for easy loading. 7. Modular shelving. Adjust shelf heights freely to accommodate various bottle sizes.